So okay, y'all, so we are going to make a wig. I'm not gonna show you guys my face because it looks terrible. Y'all, I got new scrunchies. I gotta show y'all scrunchies. So you see the scrunchies? They're literally so cute. Scrunchie, 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 scrunchie. Then we got a 5x5 closure. I'm probably definitely gonna have to bleach the knots if you can't tell. They looking cray. That's that everywhere. Oh, that's on there. Put that down there. Okay, and then we got, I don't know what length this is, but we got two 20s, a 22, and an 18. Then we got our wig cap that we'll need. Our other stuff. And this is how we're gonna make it. Mr. Princey is jumping like cray, and then we're about to dye it. So I'm gonna update y'all when I get the process started. Okay, so we about to get everything started. I'm just gonna set y'all up right here so y'all can just see me like do it a little bit. Okay, wrong way. Okay, so definitely get y'all's gloves for sure. Which this is why my nails aren't done, because I knew I had to dye my hair. So we do not want to dye our hair and then check our nails up. Oh, should we? Okay, I just put this in there, so you gotta shake it. Okay, y'all. So this is the setup I got going right now. So I'm just gonna get the dye. It don't even seem like it's gonna be enough dye, but we gonna make it work. If it don't work, we just gonna start with like 2 bundles and then finish the other 2 if it don't work. So yeah, I'm gonna come back to that. All right, y'all. So this is me right now. Okay, so yeah, let me just talk to y'all. Okay, so the wig is coming along. I did dye it. Y'all know I showed y'all that little bitty box. And I just knew I was dead wrong, and I knew I was gonna have to get another box. So after I finish the hair and everything, if I feel like I need to go and like actually like dye it a little bit more, I will. I feel like I had enough, but I feel like I can still see tints of brown. So I'm definitely try to. So y'all see the stitching. That looks so good. So that's the stitching on it right now, and this is just the first. Hold on. The TV's so loud. This is just after the first bundle, so y'all can kind of see from the side that it's like 3 layers. When I do it, I do about like a layer and about a finger apart, and then I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can see how. So it is double wefted, but instead of sitting the wefts on top of each other, you kind of have to like, you put one underneath the other one, but you still sew them together. So then you get that effect, and it's flat. So let me show y'all what I mean by that. So you see how this weft is the top weft, and that weft is sitting on top of it. This weft is on top of this one, but it's really like that, and it's really flat. And then you just kind of do an underhand stitching. So I'm gonna show y'all like what I mean by the underhand stitching on this side. Actually, I'm gonna show y'all, but I'm not really gonna do it because I'm actually out of thread, low-key. I'm out of thread. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. Okay, y'all can see. Here's your needle. Don't look at my nails. Okay. So with the needle, what you're gonna do is wait until it actually focuses. That's what we're gonna do. And not on my hand. Okay, so the needle's right there. So what you do is you're gonna go into the first one, go into the second one. So you can kind of hold it down. Go to the first one, go to the second one, and then go into the actual wig cap. So then y'all kind of see what I did. Hopefully y'all saw all of that. Hopefully y'all saw that. And it's just like going up. Yeah! Prince, shut up. I am put through the door, okay? So my hair look good now. Hold on. That just look crazy. Okay, so y'all, I'm put through the door. I'm put through the door. I done put myself through the door. Okay. Oh, okay, so it's my birthday. I'm gonna have to change because I don't like my dress. It's too short. But it really was just something that I bought in the mail. So I'm glad I bought backup outfits because I'm so excited. And my hair, this wig is by me. And it's long. It is so long. I gotta do my makeup tonight. Your girl's so excited. I've never been excited to go to Atlanta so much because I just want to enjoy my birthday. Because last year, if y'all did not know, which y'all probably know because y'all not new to the world. Y'all may be new to my channel, but you're not just to my world. Okay, so last year, I had to spend my birthday in the house. In the house. I had to spend it in the house. I was pissed. So this year, I'm out. I'm going outside today. I'm going out, trying to hide from the cameras. So I'm going outside today. Okay. Okay. Your girl is going outside today, okay? So we are about to go pick up the cake. So I'm gonna take y'all with me because I never vlog with y'all around the city. So we got our hair done. Y'all, we about to bitch. Corvette. Oh, we look so cute. Okay, let me get dressed. All right, bye y'all. Actually, I'm gonna take my clothes off. Bye y'all. Okay, so y'all, ooh, the lighting is bad, but oh, there we go. Okay, so y'all, we are headed. I'm about to go find me, like I need to find me a little purse really quick, and I need some concealer. I need some more concealer and maybe some more foundation. Like, why did I wait last minute to do this? I don't know, but I did change my outfit because I wasn't really messing with that one, and these look so cute with my toes. I don't know if y'all can even see them. Oh, they look so cute with my toes. So I changed my fit. I'm taking y'all with me. We are heading down the street. And then we are going to gas up. I really wanted to get like a rental or something, but sis, due to the fact that the rental is $300 and this car payment is $300, bitch, this is the rental, okay? So, we're in a rental for the weekend. Because this is the fucking rental at this point. Because, who's doing that shit? Not me. So, we're about to go see if we can find like a little cute. Oh, man, I wish y'all could see me. Man, the darkness. And I really don't know how to change the settings on this camera, so. It just is what it is at this point. It is what it is. And I know it's loud in here. I know y'all can't hear me. But yeah, so we got to do that, and then we have to be somewhere at 2:15ish. So we got time. I should have left the house like an hour ago, but I've been in the house doing stuff. But yeah, bye. Y'all, so I want to show you guys the cake. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. I'm so excited, y'all. Okay, y'all can tell. Y'all probably like, girl, you act like you ain't never had a birthday before. And at this point, due to last year, I haven't. This is new. I don't even know what a birthday is. This is all new. Oh, okay. The lighting is so trash. I'm so excited. I'm gonna get in trouble for opening this. I'm just let y'all sneak a peek. It's so cute. It smells really, really good. The lady was trying to put gold sprinkles on this thing. I said, lady, that is ugly. It was really ugly. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna zoom in on it for y'all. This is gorgeous. So I wanted it to be like ombre. So I had her put the Wish y'all could see it. So this is like the basic girl cake that everybody gets, but I wanted it to be 3 different colors because I know it's gonna be so good. I'm so excited. And we have dinner reservations tonight at 9 at King and Duke. I have no idea. I don't even think I said it right. Oh, it is King and Duke. She just called me. But oh, I'm struggling. You couldn't tell. I'm trying to put this thing down so I can see myself. Okay. Alrighty, so y'all, I gotta put some better lighting because I cannot get up on social media with my face looking like this. Okay, so y'all, we're about to leave. I got everything packed. We gotta get the cake. And then we have reservations tonight at 10 for King and Duke 10, baby. I'm gonna be we're going to, we gotta go get some, I need some foundation. I know I blew it, but it's getting hot outside and your girl's getting dark after she's been like low-key ashy for the past 6 months. So gotta go get that, and then I need like one more fit. So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna have so much fun with you guys this weekend. And we got plans tomorrow. We got plans all weekend because we're gonna make the best of this, and it's gonna be fun regardless because we always have fun. Bye, y'all. If you ain't wanna be in it, just say that, okay? Yeah. All right. Y'all, I'm looking crazy on here. I ain't got no battery. I'm gonna have to charge this. Okay. Hey y'all, so we are taking a pit stop with we and some Checkers. It's so good. Look at this. We finessed them. Perfect. I didn't know it was in the bag. Okay. So yeah, we're about to get to the road. So somebody just got taken to jail, and now somebody fighting. This man, right? The ghetto. Yeah, he ready to whoop smash. Now she locked the door. Lock the door. I see. Smart idea. We're in the Painted Duck, and we got shots, and we live. The video. Oh. Alright, the angle is ugly. Alright, y'all. So we in the Painted Duck, and we got shots, and there's bowling in this game. And it's so cute in here. So I had already searched out what it looked like. Like, birthday extravaganza of 22 years old. So this is what I got on. I got my camera hand. I got my shoes. He's got his shoes on. Hold it. Hold it. talk off. But we on the lower level. I be hating the lower level for real. Cause it's stupid. Like, why we on the lower level? And then I may not even be able to play the music for y'all. Cause it's fucking. Cause the fucking music is not copyrighted. So this is too funny. This little man. I would do that. If I could get a job like that, I would actually do it, y'all. That's so funny. Cause that shit is perfect.
You get mad as hell when they do.
All right, y'all. So we are done taking pictures, and the weekend is done. But Aries season ain't over yet. So look at my necklace. Oh, Aries season ain't over.